So, what do we do first thing in the morning? We go to Lowe's. We buy plants. This is what Derica likes to do. It's Wednesday morning. We played D&D till like 11 o'clock last night, so I'm tired. I have a headache. And I didn't even go walking this morning because I just didn't feel like it. So here we are at Lowe's, buying plants. Oh joy. What a great way to start the day. But we do need the plants for fall planting, and so that she can show you some plants in her video that's coming out soon. So it's not like it's a waste. It's just, not really my favorite thing to do. And as you can see, the sun is really coming out. So we still have to film this today. That's going to be really interesting. But we're at Lowe's. Look at all the plants around me. Oh wow, the video actually comes out really nice when I do that. Look at that. That's pretty cool. But yeah, it's like 8:30 in the morning on a Wednesday, and we are at Lowe's. And that's all I got for right now. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.